I moved to northern London 6 years ago to work with Tesco to launch the Wicked Kitchen range and kickstart the whole plant-based revolution across the pond. The funny thing is, the town where I live is so self-contained, it makes me feel like I live in the Truman Show.
Truman, did you see this?
It's also the same location that The World's End
The
was
world's
shot.
end.
There's a bit of trivia for you. And now let's jump into the recipe. I love noodles, so I'm going to make a one-pot salad and noodle dish. And being a single dude on my own, caretaker to Frankie, the queen of the city here, I like to enjoy quick, fast, healthy meals packed with vegetables. I also love tofu, so we're going to use half a block of tofu for this. This is the organic Wicked Kitchen firm tofu. And I just like to slice it up and then add it directly to the pot. What I did earlier was just mix in a little bit of vegan bouillon and the Wicked Kitchen barbecue nooch. I'll add half a can of chickpeas with the liquid and then half a head of broccoli cut into bite-sized pieces. I've been known to make dishes like this or riffs off of this maybe once or twice a week just because it's a really easy way to get a ton of veggies in to a meal. It's also inexpensive, fast, and super convenient. And speaking about convenient, we sell these super easy hot instant meal cup if you want to be even faster. When I say one pot salad and noodles, I'm going to be adding a whole head of lettuce here. Just shave it as fine as I can, kind of like a noodle. And then I set it aside for the finishing touch. I'm also going to dice up a green onion or scallions for US friends. And then I'm going to bring it to a boil. So it's all at one pot, super easy. It takes me about 15 minutes to make this. I add the instant ramen noodle from any package, it doesn't matter what flavoring. I'm not using the flavor packs. And in this one, I'm going to use a little bit of smoked cheese. They sell a really good one here from Applewood, so I'll use a little bit of the shredded smoked cheese. I add the lettuce right to the bowl. So what this does, it also helps cool it down a little bit so I can eat it faster. Add the noodles, I'll top it with the broccoli, and then I'll start layering the tofu on just to make it a super easy, wonderful, I say easy too much, but just a great presentation. So it looks super satisfying. And this is a huge bowl. I did manage to eat this whole thing watching a film with Frankie, and that was amazing. It's just super healthy, super good. I top it off with a little bit of sesame oil. You can add chilies. You can add whatever you want, but this is a really satisfying dish. And my God, it's noodles. And who doesn't love noodles? After dinner, I took Frankie for a walk down to the lakes just so you can see how beautiful it is here. And it's just amazing. I really do love this spot. I can walk to all these places. I haven't had a car here. And you know, Frankie loves it. Anyways, you guys, we're coming to an end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please smash that likes button and subscribe so I can do some more of these. It's really good motivation and keeps me out of trouble. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening, morning, day, wherever you are. Take care.